more timber frame repairs at Orchard Barn. So what you doing?
Okay, this is the sill rail for our first floor window, and Lee's about to cut out this tenon, which is a little bit more difficult in that the sill rail projects out beyond it. So we've got a shoulder here that's actually enclosed, so it's going to become a little bit more difficult to cut out. So Lee, you need to use our handsaw, and you need to rip down this line all the way from one point to another, and you need to do that on this line as well, and on this line too. We then need to flip this sill rail over and do the same process from the other side on the setting out lines you've got on the opposite side.
Okay.
When that's done, you will have sawn a triangle like so, and a triangle like so, leaving an awkward little triangle remaining in here, and on these two rips in here. And it's at that point that on all three you then have to turn the saw so it's a bit more vertical and saw back to that line like so. A little bit more awkward. Do that on this cut and do that on this cut. Once you've done that on all three, you can then cross cut on this shoulder, and this should fairly easily break off. That's one shoulder that's done. A bit of chisel work with a little bit of rebate plane work. That's a nice tidy side to your tenon. This one, however, hopefully you'll have completed your two cuts. You then need to drill this waste section out with our large auger. You need to drill in about halfway, flip it back over the other way, and drill in from the other side.
Okay.
And then hopefully, just as Gary had, I don't know where your waste is, Gary, that whole segment just broke out.
Oh, I saw
And
that.
then it's
Yeah.
chiselling that section out there, rather like you did with the mortise. When that's chiselled out, you can try the two together and make sure that both fit nice and neat and tight. All right?
Yes.
Any queries or problems on the way, you come find me.
Right, I will.
So building traditional skills, more timber frame repairs at Orchard Barn today.